Hi, I'm Martin Wong here, founder of iVSAchart, and today I want to share with you our market outlook for week ending 6th of October 2017. Now, of course, we normally have a disclaimer in here, so take a time to read this disclaimer. All right, let's move on. Now, let's look at US Dow Jones we have seen last night, which is the 5th of October. Now, remember, today is the 6th of October. The market US equity has rose more than 8 days, so that's 8 consecutive. We're going to look at the iVSA chart to really show you when was the first buy signal, green diamonds in here. Definitely Dow Jones, S&P 500, all has done pretty well. And Dow Jones, in my opinion, will hit 2300 very, very soon. Sometime back this year, when the Dow Jones was doing around 20K, I was telling people it can do 22K. Now, why is that? Donald Trump. Now, take in mind, Donald Trump has done things which is not many people have even thought about it. Definitely one of them was the corporate tax reform that we see today in here. So right now, there's a few more internal issues that we see, which is happening also in US market. But the North Korean where Kim Jong-un been sending up the missiles, that has been really quiet. So that seems to be playing into the market, why it's going higher there. Okay, now this is the Dow Jones chart that you can see. The last time where they actually have a red diamond, which is really spot on, I really like about this, was sometime in end of June. There was no signal to go green until recently here, the 2nd of October. Now remember the 6th of October, that's what I'm pretty excited about. No doubt the market has run a bit more, but iVSAchart Auto Trade Advisor, what it does is when the signals are really clear, it will pick it up, and that's what we are in here. Of course, if you use some other market timing tool, you may even get in a bit earlier, around 21 or 2200 hours, 22,000. But what we are doing here is using auto timing system like Auto Trade Advisor, which is actually based on our proprietary system. Now, recently, US Nasdaq, we have the sell here was attempt to wash out, but there was no follow through, and many times we view this red diamond as a sell diamond, which the market is supposed to follow through. When there's no follow through, the market rebounded. That's great. That's happening also on September 29, which is when it first actually turned green buy diamond in here, since it's moving up nicely. So that's the Nasdaq here. The KLCI, as you can see in here, we've been congesting, and the red diamond was in June 20th. June 20th was a red diamond here, nothing of a soft to get us to in, and that was correct. It was spot on since June. Can you imagine if you just sold all of your portfolio, especially those related to the KLCI 30, and you go for holiday until you see the green diamond comes in? So that's one of the benefits of ATA. There's none in here, but I do think possibility the green diamond would come in around maybe 1770 if the market break back up. Now, one reason why is because the US Dow Jones, if you notice, Nasdaq has turned green diamond, the Dow Jones has turned green diamond, and the other two markets has also turned to. Now, let's not forget the ATA, iVSA also have it for KLIA, and you can see here we have the futures, again, red diamond, and the market wasn't doing much, sort of moving sideways for some time, hitting the low of support about 1750, and then hitting the high of 1780. But the key point is the breakout from 1790. Now, we all know about the general election, something I will talk in the next, perhaps next week, market outlook update. Yeah. Now, this is the STI SGX index again. The minor and major diamond did came out on the September 27, which is quite aligned with the Nasdaq that you see before. So you can see that the Nasdaq US are really correlated to the Singapore ST as well as Hong Kong market. Now, Hong Kong online has turned green diamond. Malaysia will soon. It will have to play catch up. So don't worry about that. That is good. And also, this is the STI. You can see market was building a nice saucer base, which is a nice base level at 3,200 level in here. So nothing to be real concerned. You can see lots of demand at 3,002, and we have the minor and major diamond. It's just a matter of time before the market break back to 3,350 level in there, which is very soon happening too. The Hong Kong Hang Seng Index, as we have in here, also another minor diamond just pops up. Sorry, a minor diamond just pops up. Same thing aligned with Singapore and US Dow Jones. That seemed to be very bullish. There was a minor red diamond sell here, but the market didn't follow through, and then the minor diamond pops out, and that seems to be very good. It's still follow in tandem what we have in our chart here, the 50-day moving average here that you see, and also the 200-day moving average, which has been doing very well since May that we have for Hang Seng. So let's look at the top winner, gainer and loser for the KLSE and SGX. Now, if any of your audience want me to show you other markets like the US markets as well as the Hong Kong market, do let us know. You can WhatsApp to our support at iVSAChart or look at the information below this YouTube video. Now, first one, they're looking at SGX. Our top 1 week gainer is Sing Holding in here. You can see the minor diamond came out September 18. It is continued to move up higher. This is one of the better charts you can see here. Right now, what can I say? You've got the red bearish volume. These are what we call the hollow that you see in here, which means market may likely to turn down or sideways because you have increasing in volume too. Definitely one of the good entries will be somewhere around September 18 to the major diamond in here, right? So that's the top 1 week gainer. Now the top 1 week loser is Delphi in here. Definitely the August 15 was when the red diamond in here. But when we look at the top 1 week loser, this is where we see the market continue to sell off. Now at no time when you see when there was a red diamond, and what we want to do, right, when we see the red diamond, is perhaps really the next day we want to exit half or at least get some of it before we have this plunge from 190 to 150, which is a 40 cents loss in here. So keep in mind about this. Okay, now the top 1 week gain we have for KLSE, this is one of them is Rev Asia. The minor and major diamond was a nice one in here. You have minor and major, then you have this red diamond sell, get back you again, and the market continue to go up. Here maybe about 10 cents, easily 12% could be achieved, right? Now the next one is the top 1 week loser that we have is Superloin Holding in here. You could see one of the reasons why, if I'm not mistaken, was they missed a quarterly earnings, which is 26th of September. You can see this was the 26th of September. They have the year-on-year drop of 41%. So you can see there was a minor and major diamond buy. If you could have exceeded somewhere around here, right, and you wouldn't lose so much. So that's one of the benefit of using ATA, but just to showcase to you the top 1 week loser for the KLSE and SGX, right? So that's all I have for our market outlook. I'll see you next week again, and do click subscribe on our video on our YouTube, and head on to our Facebook at fb.com/iVSAchart and get more video such this educational as well as outlook that will help you to make better decisions. This is Martin here signing off.